You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. For more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you coming up at the end of this video. Subscribe as well. The top word in British English first. UK. Worth. You have a TH sound with your tongue between your teeth. Worth. The bottom word has an S sound rather, as worse. Worse. Worth. Top word worth, bottom word worse. Can you hear the difference? In American English, the pronunciation, how to pronounce worth. American English, top word worth, bottom word worse. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let us know as well. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.